So today we will see how you can decompile any Android application and extract its Java files. So first you need to open Play Store and then search for Show Java. Show Java, a Java decompiler, and install this application. Now the application is installed in your device and you need to open it and then allow access to your device files, and then click on the plus icon and pick from the installed, and now you can see the list of apps installed in your device. So you can click on any of them of which Java files you need to extract. For now I need Adobe captures Java files, so I'll click on it and then go for CFR 0.1.40, and then it will start decompiling the application, and it may take 3 to 5 minutes and even more time for a long application. So wait for it to decompile. Now the application is decompiled and I have this list of files of the application. So you can see the JSON file, you can go through it, and if you want to edit these files you can just copy the folder from your file explorer to your PC and then open it with Android Studio and edit as you want. You can have the XML file. If you open this XML file with your Android Studio in your PC, you can see the application's layout, and this is the folder of resources and other JavaScript files. Thank you for watching this video.